the abattoir ewo krom ha nti how many of them can officially 2 na FDA for sanction na the aka ni nyina no areas a omo ye adwuma de but eno mo na within mo monitor omo activities me wa mo na mo monitor kra once FDA for sanction you know mo monitor kra hey so mo adwuma mo ye na illegal
yes it's illegal.
What are the efforts so as
we have done
chief which are here say ubetima close down some of the areas.
Yes. So we have done a lot of reports to especially the districts and security agencies say those areas and say yebeye enam ho dwuma ewo ho because one yanka say dwuma ye in general no obi ko hwe kwan omo fa so omo ye no although maybe in a small area no wa twa no they are to social media say kuma see
Akoma FM 87.9
Kuma entirely yempe yempe but we also don't have the capacity to sack them from the place as butchers leaders.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was say aban na this argument.
And mokwa omo produce permit e be assembly no e de ama a sanction so omo nya adwuma.
No.
Omo ni bi.
Yes,
assemblies no crowd no recognize adwuma mo ye.
Yes,
the other assemblies mo liaise with the assembly.
But na omo aga say assemble na Emma omo go ahead to do some of the assemblies go ahead to do those particular things. But nam dwuma so adwuma ya nyina I say enya ahweyi pa ewo ho because me can uko other jurisdictions so kura omo respecting and kwasi chain doctor kura. And the reason is simple. A doctor there so maybe every 3 months and 6 months. But we don't consider you
every day.
Every day. So who call ya would you call him? Who call ya would you call him? Now abua bakon so yeah if not properly checked na problem woman you look at the number of people I bet might affect because abua bako can get more than 500-600 people and 1,000 people eating the same meat. Until now.
So it means at the moment more products no assemble ba ho no.
Yes.
Directly.
Yes.
In a community omo be affected.
Affected.
Because nipa 1,000 and a ba
yes.
Kumasi abatwa betona mo. Na say enam ba kumienu na ombeko ho na no aseya.
Aseya.
Just say
all of them will be affected.
Omunyina will be affected.
All omunyina will be affected. Until now, you say, young family no the right place. I have the right doctor, sir, to make sure that a nama equabantino is safe for human consumption. Until young as leaders of the butchers in the young for to say, baby, I will call you Jumano, Cobebia, who would you pay? And even over the years, I remember about 2-3 years in it. Having Idil Hada, a bar, we were all around, make kasa, educating people not to be slaughtering the animals in the house. Because, and yet, say, religion, no, and now some nature say, auto abuana for coffee. You see, when every year say, come my car.
No, but unim say, the yana fell on, yes. Papa na to aboa no ofie nti ye kunu ofie ye nyina ye ni age ahun ye nyina ye ni age ne ete ho ye wani giem de wono so ne nan so de wo so ni ti so nti ye nyina sa ni gie na ede ba no ena man is so special aya na ye ne because wo de aboa no free abato abase makuku no de na ba I mean moja no kra moja na nso fama me ye hu nti obu ho ara na ne wie no kra ye de ama no o se nyina nke ye na ye twa wura na ye de aboa na ho na ye ami ye kuno ye hu no ho kama na ye twitwa obi agene de we di we fa enna ya ne ema ne ye nje but mo so mo nyin ni se ebia mo district ni mu a mo nkrofo a mo trainee wo mo edru ho no mo a omo so betima training community fo bi no mo a omo betimi aboa ma yakum nam no nyina kakra within the districts eno no mo a
so anya nam no kum no pese nya say yan chi aboa no na kum no pese after say wo kuma boa no wie I was say when you doctor
Akoma FM
oh be say
87.9 Kumasi.
A fit for human consumption.
Hey,
Sanity.
I see.
Ono no Hong Kong problem no. Because a sacrifice na sacrifice no. In fact say I feel so over 2 to 3 million people go to Mecca. No more custom. Almost everybody slaughtered. Now you will not see a single animal being slaughtered outside our Mecca. I'm training you now, and I'm one I ever come in, you know, I come within the right place.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because how did you say it? Yeah, kind of say, was belief, you know. As a matter, boy, me yes sacrifice I will be, you know.
I don't hear, and you're not
be a uber
okay.
And I namna
ube
no.
So say ukunu we are why ye unyame so adwuma.
Why unyame so adwuma.
Nti dia ka no but dia ka no so your health.
Yes,
and the health implications e wo ho no. E no ya de wo se ho hia.
Ho hia. So we have been campaigning or educating people that abuano fanamra amato we dey ba amato no kura odwuma no ye so easy for you to do. Omo gituma omo ba be ye no ho no. They will tell you. Say odi abuano
more doctors omo ho hwe abuano.
Yes, your doctors.
Ti abo bia be kunu bia no veterinary doctor wo ho.
Yeah, veterinary doctor.
Wo hwe sa abuano is in good state.
Yeah. So your antemotum and then your postmortem. Antemotum is abuano general life.
Okay.
Yeah, there are doctors almost so yes, one and sana ya kuniwia postmortem ya the sikanya bye nam no baby I say yare hihye ho na ma na yare ani ho sana ayene asiti because right from the slaughterhouse no the next 1 to 2 3 hours no a ko bi yam until I was say measures to be put in place that namna made enko create a problem bia nipa ho dwuma na there but I can tell you from for now maybe 70 to 80% are doing it right throughout the country make NGO no ho chinisa more education until at least do na use gas because we have buana nantwi na ye kind doctors I don't know if they are correct doctor and they are fit to be doctors say nantwinam is the only meter since anyame boy we as a report bia ni research bia ni hono ma actually said o you nantwinam ma oyare. I challenge any doctor on this earth. So was our report now on from Beto.
As a focus no has been on nantwinam eno na ye more muku power abattoir.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But they all go through the veterinary system. Veterinary doctors in the Mwana and Sana
okay. Yeah. So Alhaji monya intervention as we speak. Obetimi aka said they mu go through nyina yimu no. Still now no industry no is attractive.
Very, very attractive.
And Crawford, that's why I invest in.
Yes. Crawford, that's why I invest in the industry. But the air can you say, Nanka Abaimbam, now it may put measures in place, and can ever brusa.
I buy at the rearing for food, for meat and export. From Momo end, no. My benefited from that policy.
Zero.
Any effect my jumaso.
No. Even before I become the chief butcher, now me one of the key players in Namijuma in Kumasi. I even to the largest extent in Ghana because me my tenant crane. I had Jumano. We were tenant Kumasi has in 1996. Now we friend crane. I bet tenant Kumasi has.
And I was starting Jumano.
Kumasi has but nkran no na me ye nam juma.
Oh, okay.
Yes, na me ye nam juma. Nkran. Me ye nam juma na me ye nkran. Ah, de me de ben eba Kumasi has. But since these policies in any invitation from any quarters be as a mumbra na international and bibi way home.
The reason why Mibusa win is say aban invest wo animal production na a kosra. E was say etimi reduce some burden. Importation amoye. Because that's why maintain is about 70% of mu form free. Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina, Côte d'Ivoire, c'est Côte d'Ivoire count. No. Mon Côte d'Ivoire, mon femme free Côte d'Ivoire. Burkina, Niger, Mali, those areas. 70% no. Yes. I am sure say buying policy no about Buana reduce that burden. Did I me busa say sa program ne buy. Mo share the effect. Enya nsunsanso enya, and I'm sure be able to hear the positive one. Enya wo madwuma mo yeso mo importation whatever mo ye no Ghanaians would want to know because a program I was say industry players ni nyina e benefiting. Did you know ye mo ano ye mo ano a I was say edru ba bia or the ba market no de ma mo a mukum eton de ma Ghana fo no eton no or de bremo. In that case, it reduce mo burden na mo go through no. You are saying that this rearing for meat and export no. In fact, any effect, positive effect be
I can assure you that paper so policy okay. It is not been put into you.
Mo amukum no mo amusan yen bi.
Oh yeah, yembi. Yeah,
mo amukum mo yen bi.
Yes, yeah, yembi.
Would you want us farm? Wo farm?
87.9 Kumasi.
Wo farm me. Na kwase ne bebrebe as I speak to you. Or na ntwe ne kakra e wa ba bi a ye yan omo no those kind. Bebrebe no dudu na eye de ben eye. Dudu na eye de ben eye. But the eye can say this particular program a wo kai. Me tie.
So one apply. We will apply. And I want make here for so apply. No, Alhaji me tie for it here. I want to understand. One kasa will make here for so apply.
Yeah, apply in MMP. It is not yielding any results. It is not yielding any results to us.
87.9.
She in frame enye de be emma. She in frame emma. And those are the problems as a unit you face. Because they are big kind of said Usha Nanka Usha other countries. First of all, and then the contribution Akoma Amayano. Emuso. And even it Juma has seen many people did not know. You say, oh, yeah, because regional minister, the current regional minister, the day Obama Obama Abatua inside. Also, your name that said Juma Kasiasa or Ashanti region has seen.
Wow. So far, more workers, babies, and all.
Or year Juma within the plant itself.
Yes.
I mean,
okay, within the plant. But they bear the chain, no more. I mean, no more, at the baho. So you kuno.
Yes.
And the award or yen who juma. We are the Abama Mumucha eton the final at the end of the chain now. Or no eton the Amaya consumers. Side within that chain nankasano. Ni part of was saying and a war abattoir high kakrea.
So currently abattoir itself, workers are at least 170 workers or more juma. Company
170 workers
people working within the company or more management sector.
Okay, at the management sector,
or more those who are into
officially
more working
more okay,
that is what is going on there. But nanchi bakobia we hear ni part 10.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na nipa 10 ni nyina aye na ntwe no even at times okra ya bro. Nipa 10 obia be adwuma wo na ntwe no ho a survive. yawo obi a okum yamfa ne said yam begin with yawo obi a obetwa ne mene no obi a otwa ne mene obi a
owie ne die
owie ne die
John so bosom mu tua ne ka
bosom ne yetua ne ka
okay so
ya oya employee ma company the brand be pakra betima ayi ono kura afrem but
beyond the 170 na o ka ho asem
me ka ho asem aboa bia okum bia ne pete eye aboa no ho dwuma kopem say ye di nam no be ko two tables so akoton no o hia ne pete aye ho
di at a time mutimi kum mo abesan
ente yakum 150 a day so you multiply 10 by 150
o ba se bia obi obekọ obi a nipa ba ko obeye adwuma wo anantwie be 4 ana 5 ho di multiplier ono na adwuma no wa repeat na adwuma no within the process nti ye ntimi nka se di se nipa ba ko be ye adwuma nipa 10 no be ye na ntwie 1 ho adwuma
breaking it down na hwe ade se na aboa no yakuna ye chane into 4 pieces
okay
into 4 pieces no obi abefa na yamfa na obi abefa ba ko akoton honom no wanya nipa 4 wanya nipa 4 na even nipa no kwa obi a obe assistant na man ya dwuma no nti ono kura de ama yamfa na mba obi a obe hohoro yamade no obi a obe hohoro na yamade no yape obi a obefa obi a obeto yamade no nso akoton nti wo mumi no be ka ho anya 6 se oma be nipa de ben 6 nti anya omo beton na ya anya omo a ombe de ben obi obehohoro yamade no obi a obeton yamade no na ya anya nipa 6 wo ho no nti obi a obekum na ntwie na ankasa obeton na ntwie na ankasa aba
ena me show so yo de onso be fa ne ti akoye ho adwuma
ya wo de obefa ne ti akoye ho adwuma
ko na ntwie ne ti ho adwuma ye den o
ya obi a obefa ne ti
wi akoyi na sumne
ti na akoye adwuma
ho nyina
na homa no ya wo obi a obeye de obeye na ho adwuma obetoto na ntwie no aye no nti
I say within a day no nipa be thousands in the year
adwuma wo about an research and we know has said from 6 to 2 p.m. over 5,000 people do business within the abattoir.
Wow,
setup. And the anya adwuma ketwa yam for no nto nchen all our students in Ghana, especially those who are related to science subjects and those kind of things, our nurses, doctors, and those kind of things, our nurses, doctors, study within the abattoir, and because that is the only place you get an opening animal. Now, I want to say we are brave. We say a fashion.
Also about for research.
All the schools in Ghana.
Na say near any abattoir.
Yes.
Senka money abaya di hun common na one district one factory. Yes. Yeah 10 abattoir. Kuma say abattoir ha e dey a factory on its own. Senka nye bad.
Yeah, it's a factory on its own.
But me ka say so wakasa aban invest wo.
O invest.
Nti senka aban invest wo.
Yes.
And na ye equipment e beboa e advanced aba and the area how you expand and na renovation mu hia ye de amamo and na aban e de sika kakra ewura mu a. Just think be engage youth, Ghanaian youth almost on common some so no pa bi akọ allowance ye de be mo mo and sa na e mani nyina.
So mama fa be nka ho. Amani say abattoir we yetimi ye na into AAA abattoir, which is the standards, one of the best. We were AAA abattoir. What it means is that you can slaughter, process, and then even export it outside that. I'm telling you, rural migration to cities like Accra will stop from the north. Obi biara ni hono mo be free north abra onim say oyen nantwi a owo the right marketer
or they call
yetime yeno was in Australia over 455,000 people and and they contribute to Australian economy $50 billion every year.
Wow.
$50 billion every year. You can do your own check.
And I'm also saying, and I'm with the money data be a motivate me.
Yes, so
Akoma
need
FM,
data
87.9
bit
Kumasi.
currently the number of people who are currently within the system because of say and abatu adwuma na nam dwuma no enye dwuma, and I'm telling you for a fact that your employment issues are ye ka ho ye bre ho ye bibia yi ye hwesa sector ni ya can create a lot of employment. There were so many students who are out there say you could have certificates any juma. I can tell you most of them.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Can find say from your first degree students, you know, those kind of things. You know, we be could the certificate now. See on be na juma wagana has say or
because facility oko umuno. They are in respecting
those kind
how
of
crowding here were structured.
Yes. But we could have masters or call in Canada and those kind of things. Namjuma no bakoye. Ejuma bia ni hono bakoye. Eye namjuma dudu ya omo koyi nyina.
Ibim koye ejuma o
namjuma no omo ye. So why are they not accepting to do it here? Simply because you put it in measures to make sure that the sector will be very attractive to the youth to come in and then do business. Currently, local other countries here, you see, butchering schools, they go there to learn processing, packaging, those kind of things. And most of our students from even GSS, provided if you can read and write, when you go through that particular school, when you work as a skill, you don't have to wait for government to give you a job. In the sector, your sector beer, a buy. I'm telling you, any government who tries it, every year, or best succeed, any government at all, or back, because employment obi baka say my employees we have baka say I want to mean say providing those kind of things. A juma way will give you lifetime jobs. Nipan or be sum or be ya kopim da or be free you see.
And yeah, the beba na within 2-3 years.
2-3 years. Na ya pompe sika bebrebe ya gum na akoye basa.
Angie.
Sadon.
Come on, baby econom.
Nice interview.
Come on, baby econom. Okay.
That's good. I'm the anope chief of beer near Elnoma.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I think Sabini Tia a better good say a buy share from now going over to me investing a industry name.
Oh, but say I buy war. I will stake I will majuma mujim because board yeah. There's a rep from government.
Yes. Though I buy rep was
board
mayor of Akwesichi.
Even the mayor current mayor no board.
No board no so. Anona Akwesichi
no was so. Until when government has reps